Screw there, screw there. Take that out. We took it out on this side. Now you can see it won't pop out because you have to go like that. Then inside there, you don't have to unpull that, but I wanted to make sure there wasn't any rust on here, which there's none, but there was some on the mounting tabs. So we sanded that off, fixed that. Now these, you simply just twist, 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 pull out, pull and pull, and there's your tail light out. Now, part number for the brake light / parking light is 2357. Turn signal 1156A because it's an amber. And then reverse light is 1156 clear. All you gotta do is place those is push in. Probably can't show you. Yeah. Why not? Yeah, won't be able to show you guys, but you just push in. Too hard to show you on this, but literally just push in. There we go. And twist. And then that one is our tail light, brake light. So you gotta open these up. You just simply push that in there and you twist and lock it. Now it's locked. That's all you do. Pretty easy. But I figured I'd show you guys. Sometimes people don't know how everything works, so figured maybe somebody might be able to use that. And make sure you check your tabs. Don't forget to slide it out or else you'll break it. Alright guys, figured I'd show you. Now we'll check them to make sure they work. Brake works. Reverse light works. Turn signal works. Tail light works. Now let's see if it glows up more when we hit the brake lights. Yeah, finally. There we go. New stuff. Always make sure it works before you put it all back together. Okay, and just make sure you put them back in the right ones and make sure it's flush, and then you twist. If they're not the right ones, they normally won't go in. We might have that one messed up. Yep, this is supposed to be, so that has 2 in it. That's your brake and tail light. And that goes in there like that flush. It will not go in if it's the wrong way or the wrong hole. There we go. And there's our reverse light. And simply just line this up over here and you put that in there. Unscrew in there. I had to wash the car, get some dirt up in here. You wanna make sure they're straight when you put them in there. That right there, they don't fall back on you. You can just, I'm gonna need 2 hands so I can push on them in there to make sure they're where they're supposed to be at. But that's it. Not that hard of a job at all. But I figured I'd show you guys.